Eli, look at the yard now. It used to be flooded. Hey Eli, come here. Wow. I'll show you a before and after. Look at that, bro. That is insane. What is that in the back? Probably like some toy that had air in it and now the air is flowing out of it. That is so cool. Highest it's ever been. Ever.